municipality of Wieërt has approximately 50,000 residents, all of whom are proud of their city and the region. Wieërt is a medium-sized city with human proportions. The city also plays a leading economic role in the top technology region of Eindhoven, Aachen and Leuven. Because of its key location, Wieërt is an attractive place to live and work. Wieërt has a number of business districts, ranging from industrial sites for heavy industry to office parks. In order to be able to respond to future demand, Wieërt is presently developing new state-of-the-art industrial estates. In view of this, accessibility by road as well as via water and railways are a top priority. Wieërt's downtown area boasts a great atmosphere and a magnificent shopping mall, making Wieërt an extraordinary shopping destination with its own unique character. But there's more to Wieërt. The city has a rich history and to date still emanates the authentic character of days gone by. This shows in the various historic details downtown and the untouched villages in the middle of nature. The true Wieërt resident is fun-loving and outgoing. Wieërt is a major national player and winner when it comes to indoor sports. All of Wieërt's facilities and infrastructure are aimed at encouraging people to take up sports and become physically active. Wieërt is the perfect place to embark on trips to beautiful areas nearby. Cultural landscapes combined with nature reserves create an interesting countryside, perfect for biking and hiking. In short, Wieërt, an industrious city, tradition and culture, shops and fun, events and nature. Wieërt, your winning partner.